Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature 7 rarely known tips to build your blog's readership. And also, do you use these tips to build and maintain your blog readership and views? Attracting traffic to a blog or a website is challenging enough. So from the very beginning, when you start to see visitors coming to read your blog, be sure that they feel comfortable to stick around. And there are 7 ways that I use, which you also can use as well, to do just that. Here are my favorite 7 vital ingredients that I use for building and maintaining my successful blog readership with a loyal following. 1. Publish regularly. As your readers become familiar with the frequency of your posts, it will influence their visiting behavior. If your readers know that you post fresh content every day, they will probably come every day to read it. If they know you post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, that's when they will come. 2. Stay on topic. Stick to your niche. If your blog doesn't have a niche, give it one. Readers like blogs that are focused on a particular theme or topic. If you have no theme and just post about anything, then readers are less likely to become passionate about your blog. Moreover, they will probably move on to somewhere else. 3. Use meaningful titles in posts. This not only announces clearly what the post is about, but it will help people navigate your blog and also influence your ranking with search engines. 4. Interact with your readers. Think of your blog like a conversation. You post. Readers comment. Be active and be positive as you interact and converse with your readers. 5. Highlight your best posts. Don't let your best posts get lost in your archives. It's always a good idea to link to your best posts from a best posts category on the main page. 6. Provide good navigation to popular pages. If you help people find the key pages within your blog, their visit will be a much more enjoyable experience. 7. Avoid not posting for extended periods. If someone visits your blog and discovers that the last post was 3 weeks ago, they will probably be disappointed. If you don't post, people may give you the benefit of the doubt and come back in a few days to check. But you better believe they will lose interest quickly if you fall out of your regular schedule and stop posting. Conclusion, and the takeaway. There you have it. 7 little tips that will make a big difference to your medium, or blog, readership. It's not rocket science. It's just using some common sense when posting and interacting with your readers. I hope you have found my podcast to be helpful in answering your questions concerning 7 rarely known tips to build your blog's readership. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.